Hey guys, this is a 2020 3791 rear den. I'm going to go ahead and show you what it's like when it's in travel mode. So stepping into the coach, as you can see, you can easily get to the fridge. Probably got every bit of 2 feet between the gap of the slide and this countertop here. You can access both sides of this refrigerator. And you can also access your freezer. Also, if you'd like to sit down and enjoy your snack, you also have access to this side of the table. So you can easily sit here, kind of kick back, enjoy a sandwich. Now stepping up into the bathroom, you can easily access that as well. So they removed the pivoting door that they had before, and they put a pocket door in here. So that makes it very easy to get in. Yep, you can still get in here, you can still move around. You get nice and cozy if you're parked overnight at a truck stop. You have access to half of your wardrobe there, so you can get a change of clothes if you need to. So on the off-door side over here, we've got our automatic leveling system. This is where the magic happens. Simply push your auto level button, boom, minute and a half it's level. So these are your shut-off controls, your hydraulics for your 2 living room slides. I guess that'd be your kitchen and dinette slide. The other ones are going to be all electric, so you simply shut the door side off, which is going to be that in itself, the door side where you get in, and off door side is where I will be standing, so it's going to control where the kitchen is. Also on this side we have a 35,000 BTU furnace, and to the right of that is going to be your 12-gallon hot water heater. Montana is running Saloon G-Range tires. These are the best in the market to date. Also equipped with the Road Armor suspension system, so that's going to generate a very smooth ride as the suspension goes up and down. You have rubber on both sides of that system. So again, this is the 3791 RD rear den. That stands for the back being vaulted, having 2 opposing slides. Montana was the first in the industry to come up with this design, and they nailed it. You got this beautiful pull-out tray, about 10 foot in length. So with the new models, they opened up the sides here, so you see the actual studs. Beforehand, it was all finished off, but now you have access to go full length, side to side, and all the way in, so you can fit some different size stuff inside. All right, now we're gonna go inside. Make sure you stay tuned to the end. I've got a really neat surprise on this one for you. This is the new Cottage white interior. I've done a couple other models here on my lot, but this one is one of the most popular floor plans, so I wanted to show you the nice contrast of the gray and the very nice white. So here you've got a very nice big pantry, motion sensor light, good depth, fit all kind of stuff in there. Double diamond, cottage white. This is the residential refrigerator, runs on electric only, has ice maker in it. 3790 is an RV refrigerator that will run on propane. Again, this is the cottage white interior. Here's the new dinette. So if you see the link up above, I'll show you how this breaks down. This is a brand new setup for them. Gives you more storage space underneath. Absolutely no carpet in here. This is PVC that is woven together, that is water resistant, stain resistant. It's not going to collect dog hair like carpet. The infamous chair body. So it eliminates the need to strap these down, which it makes it very easy for you when you're traveling. You just simply slide the chair in, button it down, you're good to go. This is the bourbon interior. We do give you the televisions, we just take those out for security reasons. It's on a nice power lifting system. The couches will turn into a bed. So these two will actually touch each other and create one nice big bed. They've also given you with 2020, you can see this curtain here. So that's going to pull all the way across and create a complete separate room. Good for your guests, good for your kids. Plenty of options for you here. Thomas Paine, power recliners, heat and massage. Now don't leave me yet. Don't forget, I got a really awesome surprise at the end here I'm going to show you. Very few of them we stock with this feature. You've got nice pull-out drawers. You don't have to worry about lack of storage because of some weird plumbing situation. Medicine cabinet. Stainless steel appliances. Huge amount of storage above for your linens. Nice porcelain toilet with the foot flush on the side. Now stepping into the bedroom, this is a king bed. That is an upgraded option that we stock every Montana on our lot with the king bed. To my left against the wall, you'll see the white light switch, as well as the thermostat control for your second air conditioner. That is Whisper Quiet Cool. Newest addition is the window up above the bed. Every window in this coach has both a really thick daytime roller shade and then a nighttime one as well that's going to black it out. Also, the front wardrobe, got a nice hamper to throw all your dirty clothes into. Nice little storage space down below. And then above that you've got a hanging rod to hang all your clothes. Also your secondary closet or your washer dryer area, so there will be a stack kit that goes in here. It's very snug, very good size. You do get a second television here. Again, we just take those out for security reasons, but it is on a swivel bracket, so you can maneuver this around, bring it closer to you. And a barn style sliding door with a magnet on it, so when you do shut that door, the magnet's going to hold it shut. Thank you for sticking around. I'm going to show you this surprise. Let's see what you guys think about this. Outside kitchen. It is in a pull-out tray for your pass-through storage. You get 2 mini fridges. Nice prep top to mix up some drinks. Nice storage container. And then your cooktop. How cool is that? That's pretty neat. And then your propane line will quick attach down below. So this is running straight from your propane tanks. And then you'll clip it into here, flip that valve on, and then it's going to run all the way up and over and into your stovetop. Party ready. Please subscribe. Thank you for watching. Let me know what you guys want to see next. Have a good day.